Hey guys, in this video I want to go over taking media from your computer and moving it into a ScribeWare report. So I'm obviously inside of a report. Um, the kind of things you would be using this for would be like if you were doing a sewer scope and you saved that to a memory card and downloaded it to your computer. Maybe if you had drone or thermal imager media that you wanted to put on a memory card, put it onto your computer, and get it connected to a ScribeWare report. You can also, I've just made a recent video where you connect, if you get those things onto your mobile device, you can share into ScribeWare on your mobile device. So this is kind of the desktop version where we're taking media outside of ScribeWare and importing it. It could even be pictures from your camera, like if you want to use an old school camera rather than the mobile app. So I'm inside ScribeWare. There's a couple ways to do it, and I'll go over all of them here. At the bottom of all of our icons here is the mobile media. So I had that open, I close it, now it's back open. So if you go to the plus mark, this is kind of a backdoor to your computer. And so now you can look for different images. Here's a bunch of thermal images. Let's go into my pictures, and we'll go into this A-frame job here. And you can kind of go through and just choose what you want. I'll scroll to the bottom. I'm going to use the control key so that I can just highlight a few different things. So I'm maybe going to take a video. I'll take 2 videos and a couple thermal images, and we'll start bringing those over. Now, the cool thing about using mobile media, if you work with a team at all, is that anybody else in your team that logs into this report will also see these available. So these are all going to sync with the cloud as well. So they're backed up and they're shared between your team. And then, of course, you could go somewhere in the report, and now you can start dragging the media in and using it in your report. So pretty simple. And again, everything's kind of backed up for you here. Now there's another way to share media with your with ScribeWare, and that is using this top media folder up here. And what the difference between this one and mobile media is that this really just makes a connection to some file on your computer. Nothing's backed up in our cloud until you drag it into the report. So if I'm in this one, these are some old infrared pictures I had connected. I'm going to hit my folder on here, and then from the folder we're going to go let's go look for some pictures. So we'll go into my pictures, and we'll choose this whole A-frame folder. So now I'm not selecting individual images. I'm going to select this entire folder. And now there's going to be new pictures here. Now again, these are not backed up in the cloud yet. Now if I go ahead and use these, we could go into my garage section and paper-faced insulation. We could drag these in. So we're using them. Once I put them into the report, they're going to be syncing with the cloud and get all kind of backed up. But if they're just over here, they're not backed up yet. The one way that you can use this that is cool is that because it just connects to one folder, you could have one folder of, say, SewerScope videos, and it'll just keep adding. This is like a little backdoor to that folder. You don't even have to keep choosing different places. So you could have all your mobile media for your home inspection, then you could come up here and have all of your SewerScope videos all lined up. So let me show you why this can be confusing, though, because ScribeWare will remember that it's connected to this one particular folder on your computer. So I'm going to get out of this report, and we'll go ahead, and I'm even going to open up like my template. This is just something I have out in the future for working on my template. Cool. Now notice same pictures, different report. Now if I go to my mobile media, it's going to be empty, but if I come up here, it's those same pictures because it's just seeing that same folder. So again, it can be a little confusing, but if you understand how it works, it can be very advantageous and save you a lot of time. So I hope this video helps. This is connecting media to your desktop, and perfect for things like SewerScope videos and drone and thermal imaging type photography that you're saving on a memory card or videos. All right, thanks for watching.